Here's my rust removal spot here. I have a nice little vat plugging my hole here so that we have a nice lake of electrolyte here. Washing soda. These plates are positively charged. Those are my anodes. As you can see, they're bubbling away pretty good. I have a pump circulating up there. And of course, power supply. As it drains out, picked up back up from the pump and set back inside again. The rags prevent it from leaking out too fast and also provide me my little lake. And these little, I need to get thicker wires though because these suckers are heating up. Whereas my battery charger seems to handle it just fine. But yep, so far so good there. Got a lot of hydrogen being produced, and I believe it's going to work.